So today's video is going to be recreating squishy challenges created by iCloud 500, and this is what I'm going to create. It's kind of easy, but I gotta change somewhere. I got this little baby bear pancake, and I'm gonna use bread for this, and I'm gonna change the strawberry to butter and the ice to maybe jam, strawberry jam, maybe. Let's just find some ingredients for it. And I have some Nutella, maybe can for that, and jam for the strawberry. It is a bit weird, I think. So, arrive at my kitchen. So probably what I take is this jam and this bread, wholemeal bread, because this looks like a wholemeal color. Yeah. Take this. Take a piece of bread. Take a piece of bread. Marshmallow. And the one is kind of not bad, right? Not bad. Gonna tear the ears. It looks terrible. Eating the leftover one. That's what I can do. The shape of it. So I'm done with it. Super easy. I think maybe it's going to be acceptable. This is a flower thing. This is how the squishy looks like, and this is how mine looks like. Okay, it's kind of good for me. It's kind of good. So now I'm gonna taste it. It tastes like normal bread. Then you put on jam, but I put a little bit of it. So yeah, it's nice. Why not? We create a squishy, it's fun and easy. Actually, all the ingredients is quite easy, you know. Just like bread, strawberry jam, Nutella, but my Nutella finished, so. Hurrah! So yeah, that's all for today's video, and bye guys.